Hello everyone, this is Group 2. We did our group project based on Tesla's model. My name is Ray.
My name is Yumna Shahid.
My name is Shitinath Gangula.
Next. So first I will start with the Tesla's 5 stages of team development. So the first is the forming stage. So during the development of the first Roadster, the most team members haven't met before. So the atmosphere was polite but cautious. So everyone's trying to understand each other's strengths and figure out their own role. And next coming to storming stage. So when Tesla began preparing for Model S production, conflicts were erupted. So the leadership represented by Elon Musk. Meanwhile, the engineers were all from traditional automakers, advocate for more conservative and more like proven approach. So during this time, there's a lot of discussions and meetings. It's all heated up. And next, coming to the normie stage. So the engineering learned how to prototype and they established a shared language around like first principle thinking. So cross-functional meetings became like constructive instead of compatible. So, and the next, then come to the new challenges like building the Shanghai Gigafactory. So the team entered the reforming stage. So the U.S. team have to like transforming the knowledge to their Chinese workers, but the work culture was completely different. So the old process was like, challenged, and the team was like focused to adopt it like local suppliers and government regulations. So finally, we have arrived at like, a performing stage. The Shanghai's factory went from grand opening to production in less than a year. So by the point, the team was highly autonomous. So next. Now we are going to talk about the facilitation concept used in Tesla. So first is like a process neutrality. So in Tesla, facilitators own the how, not the what, guiding debate without like imposing solutions. And second is the mission is like a container. So in Tesla, psychological safety is built on shared belief in accelerating sustainable energy to make sure everything goes smoothly. And the third is first principle thinking. Tesla workers break problems down to physics and facts, not like industrial dogma. And the last is the bottleneck removal. So in Tesla, facilitations equals like clearing the path to rapid decision makings. Next. So the key facilitations techniques used in Tesla. First is like the drive-in meetings. Tesla is famous for holding meetings in front of a car prototype or a production line. So all the workers involved in the process will discuss at the same time and solve the problem quickly instead of doing the PowerPoint in the meeting room. Second is like algorithmic agenda setting. So at Tesla, every meeting must have a decision owner who facilitates it by keeping the group focused on one question and finding out what are the right decision. And the third is the no exception rule. So when facilitating trading off decisions, Tesla's facilitators use a technique of force ranking. So team members must prioritize features numerically. So no all that possible or everything's okay is allowed. And four is like a skip level facilitation. So Elon Musk frequently joins meetings several levels down in the hierarchy. He facilitates by asking why, like 5 times until find the root of the cause of the merge. And the first one is the first principle whiteboard. So when the teams get stuck on old assumptions, Tesla facilitators pause the decision and walk to a whiteboard. So they break down the problem to the root. And the last one is like blameless post-mortems. So after the production hall of Model 3, Tesla facilitators led sections where teams dissected failures without assuming blames. So the focus was only on the system improvement, not on individual errors. So next, I will pass on to Yoma.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm Yumna, and I'm going to be presenting about organizational culture and organizational diversity. So as you know, during the Model 3 production ramp, Tesla had a very performance-driven culture. The mission of accelerating sustainable energy created a strong shared purpose, public production targets, and database decisions pushed team to innovate quickly, but also created a lot of pressure and, for the employees. Whereas in organizational diversity, the team was highly cross-functional. Engineers, manufacturing specialists, software developers, and supply chain managers. Different perspectives allowed effective workflow redesigns, especially when automation system failed. Global workforce diversity and frontline insights strengthened problem solving and improved production efficiency. Next slide, please. Thank you. So now I'm going to talk about personal values versus organizational values. Employees in Tesla valued sustainability, innovation, and making a of course, work-life balance, alignment with the company's mission, although boosted commitment, motivation, and resilience. But misalignment contributed to burnovers and, high turnover. Next slide, please. All right. So I'm now going to talk about the personality types and how it impacts the organization, especially Tesla. So, team dynamics at Tesla were strongly influenced by personality differences. Visionary, risk-taking leaders pushed ambitious production goals and automation strategies, while engineers focused more on technical aspects, precision, and critical analysis. Operation manager emphasized on efficiency, stability, and practical timelines. These differences somehow cause tension, especially when automation failed, as I already discussed with you. However, over time, the balance between innovative thinking and practical implementation improved decision making, conflict resolution, and overall improved the team performance. Thank you. I will pass on to my next classmate. Thank you.
Conflict management styles. There are 5 main conflict management styles: avoiding, accommodating, competing, collaborating, and promising. Each of these styles can be useful in different situations. For example, collaborating is ideal in creative environments where innovative solutions are needed. However, avoiding can sometimes make conflicts worse if not addressed. It's important for teams to adapt to these styles based on the situation to achieve the best outcomes and maintain harmony. The key elements of team performance. Team performance is driven by clear goals, role clarity, and effective communication. When goals are well defined, teams stay focused and aligned. Role clarity ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities, which improves accountability. Additionally, effective communication fosters trust and keeps everyone on the same page. Trust and respect are essential to encourage the sharing of ideas. And finally, conflict resolution ensures that disagreements do not hinder the team's overall performance. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you for listening.
For reference, please take the next slide.